Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I was trying a way to make the stained glass creative effect in Corel look like this, and it came out really good. I like it. That would be really interesting, and there's a lot you could do with that. Now it's also slowing down my computer because it's not only got the stained glass effect and it's got the mesh fill effect on top of it. So I'm going to make a rectangle. Doesn't really matter what size. And I'm going to fill it in with that orange. I'm going to take away the outline. Then I'm going to go underneath the interactive fill tool, smart fill tool flyout, and get the mesh fill tool. And I'm going to go right here and up it up to like 7 every direction. Then I'm going to take like a yellow and you can change the size of that and the shape of that. Then let's put a red, like somewhere else. Let's take some blue, put it right on the edge. Let's do a couple of blues right on the edge and see, it won't let you do it until you're there. And there's many ways you could change this and make it look more to your liking. And see, it's got let's put a yellow like right there. See, when you first do a yellow, then you could change it to a more of a point. Then you could take one of those and add a red. Well, I had them all selected. I had deselected. And see, you just get different effects. Let's put another green right there. Yeah, that's too much. Let's bring that. I don't like that. Let's put a green on the edge. Let's put another purple down here. Anyway, that's good enough. Then with that same thing, go up to effects and creative and stained glass. Now it's going to take, especially on my laptop, it's going to take a while because there's a lot going on. And look at that. And you can adjust the size, you can adjust the intensity, you can adjust the solder width. I'm going to do it. It's probably going to really slow down my computer and take a while, but play around with that. That's really pretty unique. I think it'll look better when I see how the black lines are darker now. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday do something, and thank you for watching.